Ooh. It's hot. That was hot. Okay, so we're going to take a look and see what we got here. Little food check. Okay, little food check, a little basting and tasting. This is the jerk, and this is the savory. Hey, cuz, I'm a little late. But this is the jerk that I'm going to baste a little bit now and put back in there for another hour, and we should be well done. So I'm just going to baste this a little bit here, right? And then I put a Scotch bonnet pepper in here. I did put the Scotch bonnet. That puts a little heat on it. So just wanna, and they looking real good. I'm gonna taste this to make sure that I don't need anything else, because it's the last hurrah with this. Once I put it back in for another 45 minutes, oh my God, that is so good. I'm glad I did take and season it though. Oh, but it's really good. Okay, so I'm gonna move this out the way. I'm gonna put that back in 1 second. Now let's go here. Now with these, now I'm gonna cook it, the rest of it without the top, without the foil. And this here, it's gonna put a little more juice on it. It's a lot of juice in here. And now I'm gonna pour the peppers in. And then I'm gonna let that cook the same. And this is the savory. This is gonna be good here. I wanna taste the juice in here too. Oh my goodness. That is so good. You know what? I'm gonna cut an onion up in it. Oh my goodness, that's really good. The salt and the sweet. Oh my goodness. I'm gonna cut an onion up in here. And then we'll take a look at the grains. I took the meat out already. And I put a little sugar in there and a little salt. Maybe I said I'm just gonna do salt and pepper, and I really did. How about before they had all these seasonings? What did they use, right? Salt and pepper. Nobody complained. It was real good. But this right here, woo-hoo, baby. And it needs nothing. Absolutely nothing. And I think I'm going to make some potato salad and cornbread. I'm going to put this stuff back in the oven. Give me a second here. Put everything back in. Oh my God, that is so good. Okay. Now, I took the meat out. Let's see, right? And they're just about tender. I put all packs in there, and I took the meat from the bone. What temp am I? I'm on 375. 375. Yep. And that's just about it right there. So the only thing I did in here, I cut an onion up, I put some grapeseed oil in there, and I used the salt. I gotta say this though, cause this salt right here, oh my God, this stuff is really good. Better than the sea salt taste, you know, even though it's the same, like it's just, whatever they put in here, this salt right here is good. I gotta say. Let me show you again in case you didn't. It was this. This is so good. Oh my goodness. Yes, sir. So I'm just gonna let everything simmer, and I think what I'm going to do tomorrow is I'm going to make the cornbread, the yellow rice, and potato salad. That sounds good. So I'm about to go upstairs and watch TV now. I need to be doing something with this here. It's time to take it out. So I'm going to just hold on for about another week. So when I take it out, I can get it done. Please try it, cuz. Try it. Especially the one I did with the sweetness to it. Oh, my goodness. And I put them peppers and the onions on there. The crowd going to go wild, I'm telling you. So anyways, that's about it. You know, I always show the finished product. And I'm posting it on all the medias that I have and so forth. So anyway, cuz, thank you for always watching me. I wish you could be here to taste it. We'll get together soon enough, though. It's coming. So I'm going to say a bye for right now. Now, the next one that I do, I don't go live. I record it. But I don't go live with it, and then I post it. Hey, cuz. Hey, Velvet, your pretty self. I just finished doing some turkey wings. I jerked 3, and I did this sweet and the sweet and salty, the savory turkey wings, and I did some mustard collards and kale for tonight. I love you too, cuz. And tomorrow I'm gonna do the yellow rice, the potato salad, and the cornbread tomorrow. So all this, but after this is done, I'm gonna show you the final product. Okay. Oh, I wish you would have seen it from the beginning, but I did post Velvet. The video, the first ones are up already on all my media. I changed my YouTube to In the Kitchen with Cindy, okay? I did change it to match the Facebook page. I'm getting a little better at this. Believe it or not, I'm actually getting a little better. Not where I want to be, but I think I'm good enough, you know, because I'm not doing it for money, you know, it's just in here. You know, just in here. God give you a gift. He say share it, right? I'm sharing the love. So I love you guys. And the finished product will not be a live recording. You know, I tape it. And some of my videos, I tape it. I'm not always going live, but I keep forgetting to upload the videos. So if you see them, you know, not live, so you know I recorded them ahead of time. And then after this is done, I'm going to record it, just video recorded on my phone, and I'm going to post it up, okay? Velvet, tell everybody hi, hugs and kisses, and love you all, okay? All right, till I post this here, okay? See you later.